Good is to use some darker woods because the combination with silver like tin looks very good with dark wood. Next step would be hollowing inside of the bowl, where you turn the concave shape. With just this one passing tool, you are able to do it a little bit like a dovetail on the bottom of the tool. So.
Tut sich was. Oh ja.
Use the face shield because when the bubbles goes out, when the air goes out, sometimes it's sparkling.
Ja.
Haben wir jetzt zum Bronze kommen?
Ja.
Das ist ein bisschen spektakulär.